Hi guys, this is Karen with Planning with Care Bear, and today I'm going to be filming my April monthly setup in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. And the reason I'm doing this, a couple weeks earlier, I did the same thing in March. That way, if you like the kit that I'm showing you, you can go to the shop and get it. And it is by Study Girl Doodle, and it is kit. What did I do with it? I just had it in my hand. There we go. It's called Spring Birds, and it's kit 63. And if you shop in Study Girl Doodle's Etsy shop, you can also use my code Karen15 to get 15% off, and also use my code Karen15 in the description box, or note to seller I think it's called, and you guys will receive my personal freebie, which is this one right here. Is so pretty. And if you order during March or April, you will get this freebie, and this one is the March or April freebie. So I'm going to show you the kit. I did just film a haul video because this just came in, and because I had ordered several, actually 2 orders, and she sent them at the same time. So I bought the Erin Condren 7x9. This is the April monthly page. And then I'll just do the monthlies first. I got this page, which is page 2. It's for the Erin Condren 7x9. This is for your sidebar. These are for the boxes that is not included in the monthly. And then you've got the holidays down with a strip of this beautiful Spring Birds thin washi. On this one you had the 2 peach ones, and then there is the page. I'll do this one next. This one is the April event labels, and then you've got some of that washi again. And then this one is the April dashboard, and you've got these scripts down here: memories, birthdays, favorite, important, finances, events to buy, goals, school, work to do, kids, don't forget, and ideas. And you've got some icons down here. And then I don't remember if this was like in the monthly section, or if I just picked these up on the weekly, but this is the Spring Birds pattern and basic labels, and then appointment labels. So we will be using those if we need to. If we get if we run out of the other labels, we will have those for backups. But now that I've got the 3rd page here, I don't think I'm going to need them, but if I don't, it'll be okay. Get a drink of my water. This cover right here is just a small town girl. I did change this out because I had the St. Patrick's Day, and since we're past St. Patrick's, I wanted to change my cover. So this is a digital download from the Gold Project shop.com. I'm not sure she has the same one, but I did purchase this from her. And being a digital download, then you put it into Erin Condren, create your own cover. Make sure that when you do that, you have a corresponding color that you like with it, because this one I think is now going to be dark red. I'm not sure, but here is the back. It's just plain yellow, and I love that very much. I'm going to go into the April here, and we are going to get started. Should I actually set that right there on my keyboard? I know since this is a lighter pattern, I'm going to have to white it out. Hope you guys are having a good March. I'm filming this on the 21st. So you will still have time if you want to get this kit to get it. And that's why I do film this a week and a half to 2 weeks early. That way if you want to pick it up, you can. I want to see how this does now, because I laid down one in March and the Sunday was really far off. And I did let her know that, and she said she was going to make some changes. So let's see if the changes are on this sheet or if it's on. It looks like it scooted over further than it was. So we will see. Oh, that looks so much better. Comparison. See how that looks so much better. It was way far over here. It looks so much better. Okay. To figure this one out right quick. I always complain about people turning their planners upside down, and here lately I find myself doing that more and more. Let's see. It's a little close in the binding right here, but it will be fine and it fits great. Okay. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many of these do we have? We only have 4. Okay. While I'm thinking about what I'm going to do for that other one, I'm going to put the sidebar down. That is so cute. Okay. What are we going to do with this not having another one in it? Trying to get this all laid down. I am, if y'all caught I haven't uploaded I ripped that one. I haven't uploaded the last one that I just filmed earlier today, but the one I filmed yesterday, which was my plan with me, I sounded so stuffy and sick. So I've been taking medicine, and I do feel better. Okay, how many of y'all were hollering at me and telling me there was a 5th one on there that I just didn't count? Go ahead, put in the description if you were hollering at me. I did not see that one, and I was sitting there trying to lay everything down. Sorry. I don't know why I did not look at that one. Sorry, Patricia and Sara. Just like watch my videos. I'm so sorry. Alrighty. I'm going to go off camera and put my date dots in. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've got all the date dots down. And we are getting ready to plan this out. Okay, what I'm going to do first is put in Paydays. Me and my husband will both get paid on the 1st. Because with my disability, I get paid on the 3rd unless it's on a weekend. And then I get paid the Friday before. So, considering the 3rd is a Sunday. Let's get all these in. My daughter turned 18 this month. I cannot believe she is 18. Where has the time gone? She's decided that she is going to come back home. She's been with her dad since November, helping take care of her grandpa. So she's decided that she wants to come back home. Okay, so that's what we got, what it looks like so far. I think it's so beautiful. I love this so very much. And then now I'm going to put down the holidays. I'm trying to decide if I want to put these down or the ones from Planner Kate. See how big these are, because I do have appointments to put down. Okay. Well, I keep trying to put it down on the Cricut, and I need to put it down lower. Okay, so I use that one. I'll try to use them, except if I have a holiday. I've got to look that up and find out when that holiday is. April 2nd. There we go. And let's see. Sunday. I hate them in my white outfit. Palm Sunday. And then we got Good Friday. Can't believe it's going to be April in a few days. Well, not a few days. It's the 21st now, so about 10, 11 more days until we're into April. I'm not going to put this tax day down because we've already done our taxes, so I'm not going to put that down. But if I hadn't already done our taxes, I would have put it down. I'll put this Easter Sunday down. Air just kicked on and I'm already freezing. I've got a blanket here laying in my lap. Okay, and then Earth Day is the 22nd. So I was able to use those. I didn't have any appointments when those should be. I might have a few scripts I need to put in there, but that'll be okay. Okay, so I'm going to set this sheet aside. I'm going to get this one and I'm going to put this bottom washi. Whoa. Well, I was going to put the bottom washi down. Come on, let it go. Okay, so I'm going to put that down here on the bottom just to kind of tie them together. And I'm going to stop that right there. And cut that one off. Or should I take it all the way? Now that I looked at it after I cut it, I'm thinking I should take it all the way. So we'll just put it back on there. And I will cut this off on the side here. should have checked that first. I just normally cut it. But this has left enough room that I can put it down there. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to put this one on this side. Get this down. Whoops. Let's see. There we go. That kind of ties it all in. Okay, let me get all of my labels out since I have so many labels. I'll do that in a little bit. That is to have it, the dashboard page. And I do know I want to put a big box here on the 21st because that is my daughter's 18th birthday. I'm going to do that in the center. Okay, and I want to grab from Planner's Cage to my family section. I think. Okay. I want to get one of these from Sara Marie. It says Celebrate. And then I want to get some balloons. I get these purple and pink ones. And then I want to get I think I'm going to get me a balloon cupcake. Okay, bring that back over here so I don't have too much on my desk. Put Celebrate here at the top. Knock my tweezers out of my hands. And put these balloons here. And this cupcake down at here. And then we're going to was going to try to highlight that, but I got a little bit too much, so I'm just go all the way around the 8. Okay, I like that. Y'all can't even see it. Oh, and the camera's shaking. I'm sorry, guys. It does that when I move it down for some reason. Okay, so now I need to put in my important put these in. My husband's sneezing. I think I'm going to do these on Monday to check my blood. I also have this weekly kit, so I will have plenty of stickers for that as well. But I don't think I'll need them because I have every sheet from that on that weekly. But I can save them, and I can also do them in my daily. I've been using extra sheets and then kits that I have bought, like on grab bags and stuff, or kits that I found that I never used. I've been using those in my daily. And it's like making me think outside the box instead of just laying a kit down. I did buy, and you'll see it in my haul, I did buy the World Autism, I Heart Autism, because the proceeds go, all the proceeds go to Autism Awareness, or Autism Speaks, I think it is. Oh, come on. Okay, got those down. I think I'm going to use one of these big boxes. Okay. Where did I've got to ask Alicia Rebel and Study Girl Doodle when their June releases are, and I'll put that in my planner as well. I'm trying to find, I think it was on the 2nd. I'll put it in for the 2nd. Or actually for the 4th. I need to call my dear Pixit and get them, figuring out what's going on with them, because they have decided not to send me one in March. And I need it because I can already tell them I'm having breathing problems. Okay, so I'll do that one there. And I'll do the Pixit here. And do Pixit here because it's every other week. Okay. Then I also have that there. Oh, those are shorter. These are the ones I bought. I think these are made for the weekly. Didn't realize that. I used the big boxes, but I centered those, so those will be fine. That was going to be for the other one too. I actually think I want yellow for that. the way it just jumps out at me. Why is it not? Yeah, this pulled the sticker up on itself. I think I need to pull it over. Okay. Oh. Put this here. I'm trying to think if I need to put anything else. Oh, they got a happy birthday here. I didn't even notice that. So, I'm going to take Celebrate and put it out here. Put this right here. Even though I won't be able to celebrate that particular day because we're not going to get her, I don't think, until Saturday. Just because my husband's won't be off until then. Okay. So this is what I have left over so far. There's a shuffle washi here. I may use that on the next page though. And then I didn't show y'all that. I've got some decoed out here. And then I've got the labels and some scripts here. I've got the washi and a bunch of labels. And these, I bought these, but I think they're for the weekly. And granted, the full boxes, or the half boxes did great, but these were all kind of a little short. Since I had so many of the other ones, I'll just put this into my weekly kit sheet protector. Okay, so now we're going to do this. And I've already taken these from the weekly, the diamonds here. And so I've already wrote all that down so I could keep track of when I was doing which spread. Let me wipe this out. I put this right here. And then I'm going to put important here. And I'm going to put that with a little bird. And how did I lay down? Okay. I'm sorry I keep flipping back, guys. It's just, I have only used one other kit of hers, so I'm trying to see where I need to put this. And I'm going to it's so pretty. Okay, then I'm going to take washi from over here. And I think I'm going to have difficulty on that one particular because last month I did not use this washi right here on the monthly. I didn't use it right down here. And I did on April. Now granted, I could take that up, but I like the way it looks. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm only going to fill out this page. And then I will probably grab some of my washi. Maybe, I don't know. Or it may look. Let me look at the weekly kits. I think that's where I got that from. There it is. I was looking for it, like, where did it go? Okay, so I did strip there. I did that there. Okay, I'm going to do this lines here. Okay, and then I'm going to put down the goals. Let's see if we're over. Goals. Oh, y'all can't even see that. I'm sorry. And I'm going to put down memories. I think I'm going to do I thought this said favorites. Oh, there it is, favorites. I knew I saw it. Okay, so we got that. And now that I figured out that over here, I can get into this side. Okay, we got that. And then there's 2 4 over. And then am I right to do take one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I only put 2 of those down. Yeah. I'm actually going to do. Does that bug anybody else? The birds are turning this way, going that way, and then some are going that way. Hang on, guys. Okay, I'm going to try to rush through this. My battery's trying to die. Of course, I'm trying to rush. Okay, guys, I didn't get it done before my battery died, but this is what I've got on here. And then I'm going, I think it's in here, yeah. I'm going to see. I think I like gold better, but I don't have any of the gold left. Okay. Oh, sorry, that was loud. I don't have enough of those to do that. I go to my weekly kit again. Yeah, see, those are the same ones. I'm going to have double of those. I'm going to take one of the check boxes. And all those back over there, and I'll put them up in a minute. Because I don't know if I have enough check boxes out. Trying to get this cut. It would have been easier if I'd have had the dots, but I just really don't think rose gold or silver would look better with this. I think it needed to be gold, and I just don't have. That's. And I'm hurrying this Mainly because my back is killing me sitting here. So I'm going to have to get more check boxes out. So I don't have enough. And I could probably use a ruler and it'd been better. But I should rather do the easier way. I only need a few more. So I need 1, and then 2, and 3. Cut them on here. That's easier to cut them there, and then move them over here. And I'll straighten them up when I get done here. That way I can use my tweezers. Okay, there's that. So here is how these pages turned out, and here is how this one turned out. I will go in and write everything in off camera. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and click the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Thanks guys. Have a great day. God bless.